everyone to my trigonometry video. First of all, please let me introduce myself. My name is Yola Delia and I'm known as Yola. I'm a student in Pelita 2 High School, second grade of science class. So in today's video, as you can see in the title, I will be explaining about what trigonometry is and how to solve trigonometry's equations. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to explain about what trigonometry is. According to Wikipedia, trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies relationship between side lengths and angles of triangles. Trigonometry also has their own called ratios. Trigonometry ratios are the ratios between edges of right triangles. These ratios are given by the following trigonometric functions of the known angle A, where A, B, and C refer to the lengths of the sides in the accompanying figure. A is called opposite, B is called adjacent, and C is called hypotenuse. Next, I'm going to introduce you to three basic functions in trigonometry, which are sine function with the formula of opposite over hypotenuse. Then we have cosine function with adjacent over hypotenuse. And for the last, we have tangent function with opposite over adjacent. Tangent also equals to sine over cosine. Never forget that. These functions also has its own reciprocals named cosecant with 1 over sine, secant with 1 over cosine, and lastly cotangent with 1 over tangent. Moving on, now we will see the additional and subtraction of trigonometry formulas. We need to memorize these formulas because these are fixed formulas. And for the last formula, in order to do our upcoming equations, we need to memorize the formula of a cos x plus b sin x equals k cos x minus alpha equals c. There are two important formulas in it, which are K formula and tan alpha formula. A bit flashback to what we have learned before, which is this one. Because we will be using that too. Now, let's move to the equations. For the first question, we have additional trigonometry equations. It says that tan alpha equals to y cotangent b. So, what is the value of y? Now, if we look at the equation, we can easily identify that it is an additional trigonometry. So, we will be using additional and subtraction of trigonometry formula. So, cos alpha minus beta will be cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta over cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta equals minus 4 over 3. And then we simply multiply it diagonally till we will get 3 cos alpha cos beta plus 3 sin alpha sin beta equals minus 4 cos alpha cos beta plus 4 sin alpha sin beta. It is plus because minus times minus equals plus. Next, we categorize them so we can do another additional and subtraction. Cos alpha cos beta with cos alpha cos beta and sin alpha sin beta with another sin alpha sin beta. So now we have 7 cos alpha cos beta equals sin alpha sin beta. because we are looking for tangent alpha, and tangent is sin over cosine, so we will move them again till we get 7 cos b over sin b equals sin alpha over cos alpha. 7 cotan b equals tangent alpha, y equals 7. And that's it. We get 7 is the value of y. Pretty simple, right? Don't worry, you'll get it. But for now, let's move to the second question. Question number 2. If you look at the equation, we can identify that it has the same form with this one. Therefore, we will be using that formula plus basic trigonometry's formula we have learned before. Firstly, we will need to look for its k. We have the formula here. Oh, and one thing, no matter which comes first, cos or sin, A is always cos, sin is always b. So we have k equals to square root of 4, which is 2. And now we will look for tan alpha. b over a, so minus square root of 3 over 1 equals minus square root of 3. Tangent square root of 3 is actually 60 degrees, but since it's minus, so it is in quadrant 4. So it will be 300 degrees. Move the 2 to the other side of the equation. So now we will have cos x minus 300 degrees equals minus half. Cos half is actually 60 degrees also, but since it is in quadrant 2, it is minus, so it is in quadrant 2. So it will be 120 degrees. Next, we just simply apply the alpha plus k times 360 degrees and minus alpha plus k times 360 degrees formula, since it's a cos. Because it is set between 0 and 360 degrees, so we will write down 60 degrees and 180 degrees as the answers.
Now we are all done. Don't forget to memorize every formula I've added here in this video, as it is important for you so you will not be confused with which formula you need to use in order to solve trigonometry's equation. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.